Hello, you are here for an amazing edition of Cocktails on Holidays with Josh Dean. What a better time than now to sink a cocktail. I brought along just a couple of bottles of Maker's Mark, and I'm going to run a little giveaway where I'm going to send out a couple of these to you guys watching. So just give me a little comment below. If you're over 18 and you're based in Australia, I'd love to send you out one of these. So anyway, today we are going to be making a Maker's and ginger. I don't have any ice today because we haven't been into the Airbnb yet. Remember, you've got to add that first. Add that into it, and then you want to get one of these guys with a 50 ml. We'll do about half of it. We want about 30 mils of Maker's Mark. And pop that right in there. Oh, I don't mind it when it's a little bit of a, what do they call it? A waxed up tool. Alright, well I failed this one. Alright, cool. When you open it, so we'll put about half in. Again, about half or so, yeah. Check it a little bit more. Alright, awesome. And we've got our lime now. No knife means. So, yeah, no, this actually works quite well. Alright, so and then I'm not even gonna bother, I don't want to, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of squeeze. Squeeze about half of that, so just leave it a little bit juicy. And then some dry ginger ale. So we just take the top off that. Pour it. You'd imagine this would be ice cold and refreshing. When you make it, it's going to be ice cold and refreshing. But when I make it, cheers, it's still going to be refreshing. Oh, amazing. So yes, if you want to join me, if you want to have a Maker's and ginger, if you want to make yourself a Maker's old fashioned, comment below, tag your friends. We're going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give you out a couple of these guys because I love you.